G'day one and all, Artist Wayne here, and I'm hitting the trails with King Gav, Luke the Apprentice, the guy we call Guy, and Chris ×2. Chris, the veteran desert racer, and Chris the cook who always keeps his husky on the boil. And we're all chasing the one and only, the man, the myth, the legend. Wait for it. Keep waiting. That's right, I'm talking about the one and only Super Sam. Oh, he's gonna hate me doing that. Super Sam was taking us on a ride down into the deepest and darkest recesses of the Watagan State Forest in New South Wales, Australia, on what was a perfect day for a Super Sam single trail safari. On this ride today we had 3 legendary Husky 501s, 2 KTM 450s, and in the corner of Team Yamaha we had a WR450 and my weapon of choice, the mighty WR250R. And today we would be exploring trails around the Frog Hollow area, Lemon Tree, and tracks around Muirs Lookout, all in the beautiful Watagan State Forest. How lucky are we to live so close to such an awesome playground to ride in. You alright? Luke the Apprentice was doing a stellar job today handling that big Yamaha WR450 of his, and Super Sam would give us a lesson in trail etiquette, showing everyone the correct way to roost by using Chris the cook as an example. Who did that? Sam? Fucking Sam! Did you do that?
No. He followed me. How good is that?
And all the while in the background, the other Chris was having a hard time joining us. We were now riding towards Lemon Tree in the southern part of the Watagan State Forest. Oh, and I should also mention that I was today's sweep rider. That's why you won't see me passing anyone on this ride. I take my job as sweep rider seriously, you know. You know what I love about Super Sam, boys and girls? It's the impeccable way he dresses. I know I've said it before, but he often wears the latest fashions to come off the dirt bike riding catwalk in Paris. And no outfit is more stunning than the one he's wearing today. It's the one I like to call his Scarlet Macaw, and he wears it so well. And if ever I go missing, boys and girls, please call Crime Stoppers, because no doubt Sam would have murdered me on one of our mountain biking rides after making this video. And even though young Lucas the apprentice looked like he'd shit himself, no matter what Super Sam threw at him, he just kept coming back for more. What a warrior! Which brings us to the trails around the Muirs lookout area. The deep, dark, leech-infested trails, where man and bike would be pushed to the limits. This is the trail that will finally see Chris the cook boil his husky on. No doubt it was caused by Super Sam roosting him earlier on in the ride today. She was too hot to add water to, so a little airflow was in order as we made our way back to the cars. Another top bloody day chasing Super Sam all over the Watagan State Forest. But it's not a proper ride unless I have some kind of mishap. And I would do just that right at the end of the day. Oh well, what can I say? At least I'm consistent. I'm Artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching, everyone.